Alrighty, YouTube, today we are going to cook Trader Joe's. That's right, Trader Joe's ricotta and spinach filled ravioli with tomato basil sauce. Oh, wow. Got microwave, stovetop, and there's all the good ingredients. And then, of course, we got the ALDI's Italian meatballs. And then the ALDI Priano Marinara sauce. And then, of course, Tone's seasonal dressing. Let's get this started. Can't really do much. Well, I probably can. Let's get the meatballs. And we're going to do it in the Ninja. All right, let's get this going in here. Instead of air frying it, we're going to convection it in the convection. All right. So much for me trying to keep that clean. Got a little rip there. I don't even know if it'll slide in with that. Yeah. Should. Okay. Got some extra virgin. I'm gonna spray it on. So I don't get the sticky. Alright, and we're gonna get the meatballs. These are pretty good meatballs. It contains cuts of pork in it. So it's pork and meatballs. Gives it that good flavor. Alright guys, what are you cooking today? Have you tried these meatballs from ALDI's? Have you even tried that thing from Trader Joe's? Let us know. Figure we tried something different. The Priano one from ALDI's is pretty good, but we were at Trader Joe's, so let's see. Alright, let's see what we're looking at here. We're looking at $3.50 for about 25-30 minutes of oven cooking. Alright, let's get it all set up. I don't know if this is the first time we'll be using the oven. I know we normally do the air fryer. Yes, the bottom. Conventional oven. Temperature 350. And then we're going to do it for the 30 minutes. I had this out in the refrigerator overnight. Alright, there we go. Preheat, baby. Okay, let me put my oven on. So, guys, how are you doing today? You watching this video? Are you eating? Keep frozen and large to show texture. Let's see what it says there. You can microwave it in the bag if you wanted to. Heat 1 extra tablespoon of olive oil, 1/3 cup of water, non-stick frying pan. Add the frozen ravioli. Cook medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. What the heck? This don't sound right. I wonder why it says on a frying pan. Maybe this isn't boiled. That's weird. Heat 1 tablespoon extra virgin. See that? And a 1/3 cup of water in a non-stick frying pan. Okay. Well, I want to do what it says, so let me get that pot. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do what it says. 1/3 cup of water. That's all it says to put. Tablespoon of olive oil. All right. That looks like a tablespoon right there. So we are learning as we are going. All right, let's bring this over here. Add the frozen thing, cook for 6 to 7 minutes, stir occasionally for minutes. I don't even know if the sauce is in here or anything. I'll be honest with you. This is the first time I'm cooking this. I've never cooked raviolis like this. I don't even know. There might even be sauce in it. Who knows? This might even be pre-sauce. No, the sauce is coming out. All right. Let's get this up to par. Where am I? Large. I'm going to do it on 7. This is the way it says to do it. I'm just gonna do it. That is weird. Maybe, yeah, there is kind of sauce. It is a little bit of sauce in there. So that is kind of weird that it's like that. I did let this defrost in the refrigerator. All right, let's let this get up to thing. Have you ever cooked this? Let me know. That's news to me, but I'm still gonna put it with the thing, but that looks pretty weak there if you're eating it just like that. This kind of reminds me of frying pasta. I don't know if you guys ever had pasta where it was fried or baked, but that's what I'm guessing. But this is kind of like a frying pasta. It's got to be a vegan meal. I don't know. Again, let me know in the comments if you've tried this Trader Joe's brand. I'm not liking it too much like that, but that's what it says. I mean, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water to it more. Just because I'm nervous. Alright, while that does that, let's get the Priano sauce that was recommended by Katrina. Because that definitely is going in here. Alright, I don't think I can burn that. I hope I can't burn it. You guys add any seasoning to your sauce. Every once in a while, sometimes I'll add diced tomatoes. But not this time. This time, I gotta bring down the heat a little bit. Kind of looks like this will feed one person, I'll be all honest with you. Doesn't really look like a 2-person meal here. This looks like something you could just split in half. Alright, I'm gonna do some of that. Be generous with it. Alright, I'm going to take it off. Put this on here. Put this on low. What do you think? It's very green. Very, very green. Alrighty, I got that in there now. Get this stirred up. Yeah, like I said, I think this is like for one person. I mean, we'll eat this, but thank God we added meatballs. Probably can add ground beef to this if you want to. That is up to you. I definitely have the sauce on a 6. Gonna get the lid to it. Waiting for those meatballs. Just waiting on the meatballs now. I know there's a button here for the light. Oh yeah. They're looking real good. If we were back to eating bread, a nice meatball sandwich would go real good with that. I think one of these we left frozen too long and it was freezer burn in there. Didn't taste that great, but we'll see this time. We have our lovely, fresh, homegrown tomatoes. Ooh. Some garlic bread would probably go good with this, but because we're eating this here, we're not gonna have no bread. I can bring this down a little bit now until them meatballs, I can bring it down to a 2 until the meatballs are ready. This might be a quick friggin' video, a cooking video, you never know. But let me know again in the comments if you've tried this. Have you tried that Priano sauce? Trader Joe's is in Tampa. Unfortunately, it's far from us. But I am starting to like a lot of the ALDI products that they're selling. So, you guys like the 3 cheese blend grated? Just to let you know, this is made of wood chips. Is in here, and all cheeses there is wood. That's how it stays together. But I like the 3 cheese one there. Now Priano, we've made I think a video where Priano has their own cheese ravioli, not the spinach in it, and it doesn't come with the sauce on it. We do like that one, and that does feed enough for 2, almost like the same thing. But like I said, I think this here you could split. One person can split this in half easily. You can have this for lunch and dinner, or leftovers for work. All right, now we're just waiting on the meatballs because that is ready. That is definitely ready there. All right, 2 minutes to spare. I don't think we've even used this top part yet, to be honest with you. Still have not tried to make toast on there. But I will say the one thing, I like these small mitts versus the bigger ones. But no, so far I have not used that topped one yet. I want to try to make toast. Has anyone ever made toast with this Ninja air fryer? Let me know in the comments. Countdown. Come on, baby. Alrighty, she lit up. Another sign that we bought there, the coffee bar. We've been drinking Italian coffee, and it's been real good. Okay, guys. Patiently waiting for the sound. Oh, and it's crackling in there, too. Oops, I almost pressed that button by accident. Some ASMR action. Alrighty. Perfecto. Everything's waiting. And there's another thing. Never put stuff on the hot counter. Alright, everything is hot. Get to stir it up. How many meatballs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. You gotta count them when you're a baby. You gotta count your meatballs. Don't want them to have one more meatball than you. I know another thing that would gone good too. If I might do it on my next video if I make something. I haven't had baked ziti's in a long time, but this would be good to put in one of them oven things, and then put some mozzarella cheese on it, and then put it in the oven and let it cook on there. All right, so let's wait for BB, and then we'll get ready and eat. Let's see.
That looks good.
Looks can be deceiving, I always say. Looks can be deceiving.
Too bad we didn't have a garlic bread.
Yes, I was thinking that too.
The spinach one?
This is the one from Trader Joe's.
Okay.
And it had a little bit of sauce on it.
Really?
Yeah, it came with a little bit of sauce. So.
Huh. Okay.
So if someone that light sauce on their thing,
That would be perfect, yeah.
that would be perfect. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's a vegan meal. I don't know.
Well, we'll find out. Real quick. I'm far from a vegan.
All right. How's the meatball taste? Because remember last time we had the freezer.
Nope, that tastes good.
Perfect. Perfect presentation.
So this is spinach and ricotta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see, cameraman.
And guess what? This isn't even boiled.
Okay.
It gets put with a 1/3 cup of water in a pan with oil. That's how you cook this.
Mm. Well, okay, then.
Not bad.
It's not. It's pretty good with the spinach and ricotta.
And the sauce is the Priano sauce from Aldi's.
Yeah, that's a good sauce.
The marinara.
I like it. The next time, garlic bread.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Mm-mm. Not at all.
No, the Trader Joe's spinach with the cheese
Yeah.
is not bad with the Aldi sauce and meatballs. Not bad at all.
Nope. All right.
Thanks for joining us. So until the next one, guys.
Everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourself. See ya.